Welcome back, guys. I'm Ryan, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best Samsung deals 2025. Samsung just went absolutely bonkers with their 2025 deals, and this lineup is something special. Whether you've been waiting to upgrade your phone, need a new tablet, or maybe looking at a monitor, there might be something here worth checking out. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured, so let's get started. The seventh Samsung deal 2025 on our list is the 990 Pro 2TB SSD NVMe M.2, priced at $199.99. Now priced at $149.99, you save $50. We have awarded the 990 Pro a 5-badge rating. First, let's talk raw performance. We're looking at 7,450 megabytes per second read and 6,900 megabytes per second write speeds. To put that in perspective, you could transfer a 4K movie in under 30 seconds. The real game changer, though, is the 55% improvement in random performance over the previous 980 Pro. Random performance is what makes your system feel snappy when you're multitasking, and this is where the 990 Pro absolutely crushes it. Storage nerds know that NVMe drives get toasty under load, causing thermal throttling. Samsung's nickel-coated controller with smart thermal management keeps temps in check. What's even better is the power efficiency. 50% better performance per watt versus the 980 Pro means your laptop battery lasts longer and your desktop runs cooler. The sixth Samsung deal 2025 on our list is the portable SSD T5 EVO 4TB USB 3.2 Gen 1, priced at $347.98. Now priced at $229.99, you save $117.99. We have awarded the portable SSD T5 EVO a 5-badge rating. At 4 terabytes, you're getting enough space for thousands of photos, hundreds of hours of 4K footage, or your entire Steam library on the go. The form factor is incredibly compact, about the size of a business card, and weighs practically nothing. Performance-wise, don't expect internal SSD speeds, but it's still impressive for portable storage. USB 3.2 Gen 1 gives you solid transfer rates that absolutely demolish traditional external hard drives. What I really appreciate is the durability focus. This thing is built to survive the creative lifestyle. 6-foot drop protection and shock resistance means it can handle being tossed in camera bags or backpacks without babying it. Plus, the extensive compatibility means it works with everything: your desktop, laptop, gaming console, even directly with cameras for field storage. The fifth Samsung deal 2025 on our list is the 9100 Pro 4TB SSD NVMe M.2, priced at $549.99. Now priced at $449.99, you save $100. We have awarded the 9100 Pro a 5-badge rating. If you thought the 990 Pro was fast, this thing is legitimately twice as fast. We're looking at 14,800 megabytes per second read and 13,400 megabytes per second write speeds. You could transfer an entire 4K Blu-ray movie in about 15 seconds. That's not just incremental improvement, that's a generational leap. The random performance is equally bonkers at 2,200K and 2,600K IOPS, which means AI applications, massive databases, and complex multitasking scenarios just fly. What's really impressive is Samsung's engineering on the power efficiency front. Despite doubling the performance, they've managed to improve power efficiency by 49% over the 990 Pro thanks to a new 5nm controller. That's some serious silicon magic right there. The fourth Samsung deal 2025 on our list is the 32-inch smart monitor M.2 priced at $699.99. Now priced at $499.99, you save $200. We have awarded the 32-inch Smart Monitor M.8 A5 badge rating. This thing is basically trying to replace half the devices on your desk. It's a monitor, streaming TV, and productivity hub all rolled into one sleek package. The standout feature here is the built-in smart TV functionality. You can stream Netflix, Disney Plus, or Samsung TV Plus directly without connecting any device. The 4K AI upscaling powered by Samsung's NQM processor actually works, turning lower-res content into surprisingly crisp visuals. Combined with HDR 10+ support, your streaming sessions look genuinely impressive. Multi-control is where this gets interesting. You can control your monitor, Galaxy Tab, and phone with a single mouse and keyboard. For productivity workflows, this is a game changer. No more switching between input devices when jumping between screens. The connectivity is solid with USB-C that handles power delivery, data, and video in one cable, plus HDMI and USB-A ports. The ergonomic stand offers full adjustment, and the overall design is clean enough for any workspace. Samsung even included a slim-fit camera that magnetically attaches for video calls. The third Samsung deal 2025 on our list is the 49-inch Odyssey G9 G95 DQHD, priced at $1,299.99. Now priced at $849.99, you save $450. We have awarded the Odyssey G9 A5 badge rating. This thing is basically two monitors fused into one curved gaming beast. It literally wraps around your peripheral vision like you're sitting in a cockpit. At 49 inches with a 32:9 aspect ratio, supported games feel genuinely immersive. Racing sims and flight games are absolutely mind-blowing on this thing. Performance-wise, this monitor doesn't mess around. 240 Hz refresh rate with 1 millisecond response time means competitive gaming feels buttery smooth with zero lag. What sets this apart is Samsung's CoreSync lighting system. The monitor projects your game's colors into the room, creating this ambient lighting effect that genuinely enhances immersion. It sounds gimmicky, but actually works surprisingly well for single-player games. The picture-by-picture and picture-in-picture modes let you run two sources simultaneously, so you can game while watching streams or monitoring Discord. For productivity, it's like having dual monitors without the bezels. However, you need serious desk space to accommodate this monitor and a powerful GPU to drive dual QHD at high refresh rates. The second Samsung deal 2025 on our list is the 49-inch Odyssey OLED G9 G91 SD, priced at $1,299.99. Now priced at $999.99, you save $300. We have awarded the Odyssey OLED G9 A5 badge rating. Let's cut to the chase. OLED changes everything. We're talking true blacks with VESA display HDR. True Black 400 certification, which means when you're sneaking through dark corridors in horror games, you get actual pitch black darkness, not that washed out gray you see on VA panels. The color reproduction is chef's kiss perfect too. Here's where Samsung flexed hard. 0.03 millisecond response time paired with 144 Hz refresh rate. The previous model hovers around 1 millisecond, so this is 4 times faster. Now, compared to the previous G95C with its 240 Hz and display HDR 1000, you might think we're losing performance, but hear me out. The G95C used VA panel technology with all its limitations, fake blacks, slower actual pixel response despite the higher refresh rate, and that typical LCD color compression. The OLED G9 trades 96 Hz for vastly superior contrast, true blacks, and genuinely faster pixel transitions. Unless you're a competitive esports pro who needs every single frame, the visual quality upgrade is absolutely worth it. The best Samsung deal 2025 on our list is the 49-inch Odyssey OLED G9 G95 SC, priced at $1,799.99. Now priced at $1,099.99, you save $700. We have awarded the Odyssey OLED G9 G95 SC a 5 badge rating. The big story here is OLED meets 240 Hz. Compared to the G91SD we just reviewed, this G95 SC is basically the performance flagship. Same 5120 by 1440 resolution and OLED goodness, but you're getting 96 extra hertz for competitive gaming. Now, versus the older G95C, this is where it gets interesting. The G95C had 240 Hz, but used VA panel technology with all its limitations. The G95SC gives you the best of both worlds. True OLED blacks with that blazing 240 Hz refresh rate. It's like Samsung finally solved the visual quality versus speed debate. The smart features are solid too. Gaming Hub lets you stream games directly without a console, which is pretty neat. G-Sync compatibility and FreeSync Premium Pro cover all your adaptive sync needs, plus the thermal management and burn-in protection keep that OLED panel healthy. Built-in speakers and game bar overlay add convenience too. And there you have it, folks, the best Samsung deals 2025. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Ryan signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.